Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today, Elouise is back with me.
Hi guys.
And she's gonna help me make a super cute egg carton caterpillar.
This is what we're going to make today.
The materials you'll need are paints, a paintbrush, an old egg carton, pipe cleaners, and googly eyes. First, you're going to take your egg carton, which is going to be our caterpillar, and what we're going to do is count the amount of paints we have. So how many paints we have? We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue. So how many is that?
If 3 plus 2 equals 5.
So we have 5 paints. So what we're going to do is cut out 5 of these in a row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So we'll just cut right down here. This is a bit hard, so if you're doing this with your sibling like I am, make sure you help them with this part. Right, Elouise?
Yes.
We finished cutting out our 5, slots for the eggs. So what we're going to do now is paint them in the rainbow order. So Elouise, would you like to start out with the red one?
Yes.
I'll show you how to do it, and then you can help me with the orange. So we're just going to paint.
Are we going to paint down here?
Down here, all around it. And then here, I'll draw a little line. So we're going to paint on this side of the line, because this one is going to be orange. This one's going to be yellow, green, and blue. Yeah, you got it. So we're just going to paint the egg carton. Want to help? There you go. Now that Elouise helped me paint this egg carton, what we're going to do is take our googly eyes, just 2, and mine are adhesive, so I don't need glue, but if yours are not, you're definitely going to need glue. And then I'm just going to put them on the front of my caterpillar. So I'm going to make the front red. So I'll put 1 on that side and 1 on this side, just like that. Okay. Next, we're going to take our pipe cleaner, and I have a short one, but if you have one of the long ones, then you're going to want to cut that into 4ths and take 2 of them. Since I have one of the short ones, I'm just going to cut it in half, like this. And this is going to be my antenna. And then what you can do is you can poke 2 holes right there and stick them in, but I think I'm going to twist them together. Poke 1 hole and stick it in. And you can just poke this with a pencil, the back of your paintbrush, whatever you want to use. I'll help you with this always, because this will be a little bit hard. So I poke the hole, and then I'm going to just stick my antenna right in there. And then there you go. This is a super fun craft to do just for fun, just for decoration, or to do a craft with your siblings. This is really easy, really fun, and super cute. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye! Bye.